How to share story with only one person on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, swipe your screen to the right and here you can just click a picture for a story over here. Now as I've clicked a story, now if you want to send it to a particular person or just one person, simply tap on the option of the send button, and as you do that, you can select on the close friends over here. So just tap on add people, and as you do that, you can tap any of the person and then tap on done and then tap on share. So you can just go to your DM section and you'll be able to see that you have shared your story with only one person on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.